So the music was great, but since this is a major motion picture, we probably don't want any stock music. We want to create an original score for this. So I'm going to delete that. We're going to keep horror, we're going to keep intensity, but I also want to say that the music I want to create for this is cinematic, as well as that it's going to be organic. And then also to help me create the music, I'm going to open up our trigger pad down here. In the trigger pad, you'll notice that we have all of these individual buttons for the custom triggers that I've created. I could go to the sound design section. You see we have all of our sound design elements that we could trigger right here, and it also shows you the hotkeys for those. Or we could go to the music side where we have beat, bass, chord, line, lead, all the essential elements of music, and I can just start with the beat. Now we can listen to this. I think it's a pretty good start, but maybe it's a little bit slow. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to change my global BPM from 120 to 140. I'm going to press return, and then our background rendering will immediately adjust that cue to be to 140. Great, that's the intensity I'm looking for.